Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you all today with another Crafty Vision segment. Okay, y'all, so today we're going to learn how to make the suede and wire wrap earrings, okay? So let's just go ahead and get right on into this. So here are the items that you're going to need for this here how to make video. Now, I know a lot of people are going to ask me where I got these from. The last time I went to Hobby Lobby, they had these, and I don't know how many you get, but you can make quite a few pairs of earrings. So this is what I'm going to be using. I don't think that they were that expensive, but I got these from, once again, Hobby Lobby. The suede cord right here, you're going to need a nice long piece of suede cord, and this suede cord I got from Walmart. Walmart does have suede cord, so I got this from Walmart. I got some 20 gauge brass wire, and let me show you this right here. This is the artistic wire, tarnish resistant brass, okay, 20 gauge. And you're going to need about 30, maybe 36 inches. Probably 36 inches. With this right here, you're going to need about about 36 inches as well, okay? And I have two more pieces that I'm going to show y'all how to make some fish hooks, okay, for your earring. And I have my wire cutters. I have my round nose pliers. I have my paint, which I have already taken the liberty to paint my wood pieces. I painted them black. I'm only going to make one for you all, okay? So I painted the jet black. And you're also going to need your glue gun. Okay, so I got my glue gun right there. And what else are we going to need? I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing we want to do, or the very first thing I did, was I painted my wood piece, and then I took a pencil and a ruler, and I'm sorry y'all, I forgot to mention this. I took a pencil and a ruler, and I tried to get not to the center, but I tried to get to this part of down to this part to separate these two right here. So I took my pencil and I just took it and drew my lines, okay? And that's what you see. I'm hoping y'all can see the lines on that, okay? So the very next thing you want to do is you want to take and you want to wrap with your wire first. So we're going to be wrapping with our wire first, okay? So you want to take your wire, and my wire is going to be at the top. So you want to just place it right here where your line is. Hold it just like this, okay? And I'm actually going to be wrapping from the back to the front. So I'm going to push it through like this. And then I'm going to hold this piece like this, and as you are wrapping, you're going to be pressing it down so that it can be nice and tight, okay? And then you want to flip it, take it through, just like this. And as you are going around, leave some space in between your wire. So you want to leave just a little bit of space every time you do this in between your wire. okay? And leave some space, just like this. Then you come back here and you do the same thing. And like I said, as you are wrapping it, you want to hold it. You want it to be nice and tight, as tight as you can get it, okay? I'm going to go back here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed this up so we can get to the next part. All right? So I'm going to go do that and then I'll be back. Okay, so once you get right here where your hold is, all right, you want to just take your wire and come back here just like this, but you don't want to go over top of your wire, over top of your hole to close your hole in, because your hole needs to be open, okay? So now I'm going to go back to showing you all. I'm going to make it speed it up a little bit so we can get through this, because there is another stage that we have to go through. Okay, y'all, so basically this is what your earring is looking like. Now what we have to do now is we got to go back over again for a second time. So once you take it over for the second time, you want to take it and come just like this and just take it through. But as you're taking it through, you want to skip in between. So you want to do it again, but you just want to skip in between some of your spaces, just like this, okay? Just skip in between some of your spaces, right? You can see. Just like this. Now this time, this isn't going to take as long, but the very first time, it takes a little bit more time. Okay. You keep going around. All right, let me just speed this up. Okay, y'all, so basically this is what you're gonna have. You've wrapped it twice. Now you have to decide on which side you want to show for your earring. Okay, you have to decide on which one of these sides you want to go with, whether or not if you want to go with this side or you want to flip it and go with this side. So I am going to go with this side. Now what I'm going to do now is, once you bring your wire all the way down, you're going to take your cutters and you're going to snip it just like that. And this piece that's right here, I can just snip this piece off just like that. Okay, now I can also take my pliers, because they're 3-in-1 flat pliers, and just come over and press down, you know, just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna take my glue gun and take a little bit of glue and place it right there, and then place my piece just like this. Okay, just like that. All right, so that's what you're gonna have, and then you're gonna start wrapping this. Now when you wrap your cord, you wanna hold it as tight as you can, and I'm gonna be wrapping mine from the back to the front. You wanna leave a space in between, a little space in between, okay? Every time you pull it, leave a little space in between. Pull it as tight as you can get it, just like that. So what I'm going to do, all right, just like this, come over, like this, come over, or go over and go to the back. Take it through, go over, take it to the back and go through. All right, and this is all you do for this part of your earring, okay? Just like this. Just make sure that you have some space, a little space in between, okay? Just like that. All right, now what you're gonna do, since this is done, we've wrapped this. This is what you're gonna have. This is the front or the back, whichever way you, however you choose to do it. Now we're just gonna go back this way. I'm gonna take it through here first, and then you're gonna go through each one, pretty much each one of your splits, just like this. Pull it nice and tight. Don't worry about what your back look like, because you'll figure out, you'll decide on what you want to do, or you know how you want to do it. But you go through each one like this. All right. Make sure you're holding it as nice and tight so you can have like a clean, you want a clean finish. Okay, you want to hold it as tight as you can, and you want a clean finish. I'm sorry if y'all see my light flashing. One of my bulbs is getting ready to go out. Okay, just like this. And then you want to go here, like that. And then you want to come back here and take that through here. I don't know how glue got on my cord, but it's glue on it. Okay, like this. And then you want to make sure you cover this that's sticking, so you want to take it back through and bring it over and end it right here, like that. Okay, you're going to end it just like that. That's glue. Okay. All right, now take that over like that. Okay, that's going to be your end results. And all you're going to do is you're going to take your glue gun and you're going to add a little bit of glue to it, just like this. Just a little bit of glue. You don't need a lot. Just enough to hold it in place. And you just bring it over like this. Just like that. And you want to take and cut that right here, like that. Okay. All right, so this is going to be pretty much the back of your earring. This is going to be the back, and this is going to be the front. Okay, I don't know what that is. There it is. Got it off. All right. So this is your earring. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to take your piece of, where did I put it? Your 20 gauge. Now I don't even know where my piece went. All right, I'm going to cut another little piece of this. And you want to just take your dowel and you're going to make it loop, but not a full loop. Okay, now you don't have to make your hooks that big if you don't want to. It's completely up to you. You want to take your round nose pliers and do that to it. And then you're going to come up here and make a nice size loop for your earring, just like this, okay? A nice size loop. Just like this. And all you want to do, you want to open this up and slide your earring on, or your hoop on, just like this, through your hole right there. And then you want to close it up. And you have yourself a really cute pair of earrings. Bless you. Good morning. Bless you. And there you have it. All right. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for watching. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.